I think the very last bit of exercise for today, I would like to share with you all is that right now you have successfully created the AI agent, but now you still interact it within the n8n environment. How do you actually make it publish so that other people can also interact with the chatbot? Okay. So for here at chat trigger, there is a button, make chat publicly available. When you turn it on, you can see there is a URL pop up. Okay. When you trigger the make chat publicly available, there's a chat URL pop up, and you can copy that. Okay. Trigger make chat publicly available, and there's a URL. And from here, there's an initial message that you can customize. For example, for me, the default is n8n. Okay, so I just put my name. This is just a template, like initial message. When people open up the chatbot, they will see. You can copy the URL and you go back to the canvas. This one is important. Okay, you save the workflow and you activate it. Once your workflow has been activated, okay, you can open the new web browser and paste the URL that you have copied just now. Then here you go, you are inside a UI that you can interact with the chatbot. Okay, so when there's some error encounter, right, there's an execution tab over there. Okay. So from here you can see what's wrong. I didn't set the reply. Okay, so somehow when we set the chat publicly available, right, just now the response mode trigger missing already. We need to come to add field response mode and change to use response mode. Okay, then save again. And it should work now. Okay, so the AI has replied. Okay, then if let's say right now I actually share my URL right in the group chat with all of you, and right now you click on my link, you can actually interact with my chatbot. So this is how you can quickly publish the customized chatbot that you have made from n8n and let other user to interact and engage with it. If let's say you are open this URL with your mobile phone, be it Android or iPhone, you can always save the web browser as a homepage shortcut. So it looks like an application on your mobile where you can have the customized chatbot built by yourself in n8n. Okay, so if let's say you have successfully activate the workflow, copy the URL, remember add field, the response mode, need to choose using response mode. And for here, you can see that my chat log has been constantly updated. Okay, all the information. Okay, so from here in the execution screen, we can see that who has actually engaged your workflow and how does it. And just now, there's one friend in our group chat asked my chatbot, what is the weather in your area? This kind of thing. Okay, so if let's say you have successfully set your chatbot active and copy the URL, you can also share your URL in this group chat lah. Then one thing is I know that you have done already. Another thing is that we can try to interact with your WhatsApp chatbot. Not WhatsApp, sorry, your n8n chatbot. Yeah, and that's I think that's the whole exercise for today. Hopefully you learn something and gain something and some very in prelim feel about n8n.
Just a quick question. Where did you create the URL?
Okay, you go to the first node.
Yeah.
When chat is received, all right, you double click on it. Initially, the Mac chat publicly available. This button is
Perfect.
on,
Yeah.
off. You turn on and you can copy the URL. And you remember, go down, add field, you need to add the response mode again. Okay?
All right.
You add the
Yeah.
response route and you use response node. Then it works. All right?
Perfect. Thank you.
Yeah, when it's workable,
Definitely
you can share your
triggered.
URL with us also.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much for this. Definitely triggered the curiosity even more. Looking forward to the next session.
Yeah, so okay, some of the while you all have been trying with your public URL on the chatbot, I will share more the use case, how to tweak a little bit, then become some useful tools. Like I have shared at the beginning of the session, we can have Telegram, okay, sending message, okay. We can have WhatsApp, okay, WhatsApp sending the message. We also can have Teams, okay, sending the message. We also can have Slack. You all are using Slack, okay. Slack can also send. So actually, basically, it's just getting the things authenticate and use it together. How to link it out with a different service by way of API. Then another part is that, like I mentioned just now, you can like set this agent become a scheduler. Like every day or every month, there's a schedule that the AI agent will call the record from the database or from the Excel to furnish a report to you in message or in Gmail or Outlook. Here also you can link it to Gmail, to Outlook. Okay. So in some specific use case, like recently I have done one for my I'm an accountant. I have my colleagues is a tax agent. They need to like analyze every single transaction on the spreadsheet. So what they can do is they can extract the data one by one from the spreadsheet and get the AI to analyze one by one based on the parameter that you have pre-input the system prompt or the tools that you assign. After that, add another column. What is the output of the AI analysis inside the central spreadsheet? So this is some of the, I find is a useful use case that you all can do it, try to explore it. Okay. Then the next question, I think also a very important question is that after the 14 days trial with n8n, so is there any alternative other than subscribing the $20 monthly subscription? Okay, I will share the links over here. This is the one of the private cloud that I'm using to host n8n also. And I think the cost is very affordable. It's just $5 per month. If let's say after the 14 days trial with n8n, you still need to keen to explore, but you don't want to pay $20 a month for that, you can come over this platform and it's $5 per month. I think it's worth it. What you can do is over here, you just get started and you can create the n8n instance over here. Then the usage is the same. From the YouTube, you can find a lot of tutorial how to host the n8n with Zeabur. Usually within 5 minutes you can get it done. It's not a tedious process. It's just few clicks away. Then that one is a relatively affordable way to continue exploring n8n.
So basically, we have to create a new account through this. What was it?
Zeabur. It's not a new account. Zeabur is a private hosting site. For example, this one is my Zeabur space, right? So
Okay.
from here, I just create a new project. Then from here, you can deploy a lot of different services. You just search for n8n. Okay, then you click deploy. So it was sort of just now, like I mentioned, n8n is an open source software. So in the layman terms, you can download and install on your computer also. But the problem on your computer, if you run it offline, right, you want to get some online authentication is quite tedious. So better you deploy it on your private cloud. Zeabur is a private cloud provider, and
Okay.
they have already configured well. You just click this deploy button. Okay, so it will start after you create a domain, it will start to deploy the server to you. Then from there, this one is the n8n. Then with a customized domain over here, you click. Then you go in. Everything is very identical. It's the same. This one is the community version. Okay.
Okay, so through them, the subscription to n8n is less than going directly through.
Yeah, yeah.
n8n.
So the difference, technical difference is that you're paying the n8n is paying for the hosting. Then this one is a cheaper hosting alternative lah. And they host the community version, which to me, the community version that we are using and the n8n official version, 80-90% is the same.
Okay,
The thing is still workable.
so this is good for practice.
Yeah, explore at your own. I think $5 for a month, I think worth to spend this money to see how far you can go lah.